In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily deactivate your Instagram account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then go to your profile. After that, tap at these three lines at the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Then at the very top you can easily find Account Center, and on the next step you need to tap Add Personal Details. Then you will be taken to this page where you need to tap at Account Ownership and Control, and that's where you can easily find deactivation or deletion. Just tap on it. Then choose your Instagram or maybe Facebook account. Just tap at the account you want to deactivate, and on that step you need to choose whether you want to deactivate or delete your account. Deactivate account option is selected by default, and all we have to do now is just tap at Continue. Then we need to enter our Instagram account password, and once we've done that we need to tap at Continue. On the next step we need to choose some reason why we want to deactivate our account. I can just select that one or that one, it doesn't matter, and then I'll click at Continue. Then continue again. And on the next step, in order to deactivate your account, all you have to do is just tap at that button. While your account is deactivated, it will not be visible on Instagram as it were deleted, but in any time you can reactivate it simply by logging in back into your account or through the account center. That's how you can easily deactivate your Instagram account. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.